All right, we're starting probability. And the first thing in probability we need to figure out is the sample space, which is really the better definition of it is, I'll write it in red, the sample space is all possible outcomes. All right, so here's a couple of examples of things that you've heard of that typically you see in gambling and casinos. One is flipping a coin. So you can say, hey, guess what's gonna, when I flip this coin, guess one, heads or tails. So there's two possible outcomes for flipping a coin. Two possible outcomes. And if you want to be picky, it's heads or tails. All right, on a dice though, a dice has a bunch of sides. So when you roll a dice, which is why they use it at casinos, there are 6 sides, which means 6 possible outcomes. What about a deck of cards? How many cards are in a deck of cards? This is why the blackjack table at the casino can be kind of a challenge if you don't know what you're doing, because there's 52 different chances. All right, yeah, 52 chances of you getting a card and you don't know what you're going to get. So there are 52 possible outcomes in a full deck of cards. Now, what about this? 8 marbles, each a different color, and you pick a marble? Well, there's 8 possible so 8 possible outcomes. That's really easy, but you might see like something kind of, oh, pick a marble, pick any color, what do you want? And then each one. Now, what if you have more than one event? Let's say we had 2 events. Oh, yeah, sorry. I don't even know how it does it. Oh, I didn't even, okay, I wanted this to be, oh, we're just gonna let it be blue. And we're gonna move on, and we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna change it to blue over here. So let's say we had 2 events. What 2 events? Let's say we flip a coin and roll a dice, both of them. All you do for flip a coin, how many outcomes are there? There's 2. So 2 outcomes for flipping a coin. And then how many outcomes for rolling a dice? There are 6. All you do is take 2 and 6 and multiply them. That's it. So the final answer of 2 times 6, and I might as well go back over here and change my color. So 2 times 6, bam, 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 12. There are 12 possible outcomes if you do both of these things. Let's try another one. Let's say we pull a card. I actually like typing it out better. So let's do it in a different color. Hopefully it doesn't change all the other colors here. Okay, so pick a card and flip a coin. You want to do both of those. That's it. Okay, so now we know that picking a card is going to be 52 chances here. Flipping a coin is only 2, and then you just multiply them. So 52 times 2 is 104. 104 possible outcomes. All right, so I think you got the idea. You just multiply them. You could write them all out if you wanted to, but multiplying them is the easiest way to figure out the outcomes of events like this.